Samsung is finally making some big changes with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. After 2 years of minor upgrades, a new leak suggests a complete telephoto overhaul. With 3.5x and 8x zoom lenses, both featuring 50MP sensors. Is this Samsung's best camera phone yet? Let's break it down. According to Tipster Sidon Geek, Samsung is experimenting with multiple camera setups for the S26 Ultra. One prototype features a 3.5x telephoto lens, a slight upgrade from the 3x on the S25 Ultra. But the biggest change? A 50MP sensor. This is a huge jump from the previous 10MP sensor, meaning sharper images and even 8K video recording from the telephoto lens. But that's not all. Samsung is also upgrading its periscope zoom, moving from 5x to 8x optical zoom. This second telephoto lens will also have a 50MP sensor, ensuring better detail and clarity at higher zoom levels. However, to keep the camera bump in check, the sensor size has been slightly reduced. The main camera is rumored to have a variable aperture, f1.4, f4.0, allowing better control over light and depth of field, similar to pro-level cameras. Samsung is still testing different versions, so some of these specs may change before launch. With upgraded zoom, higher megapixels, and improved image processing, the S26 Ultra could be Samsung's most powerful camera phone yet. But will these features make it to the final version? We'll keep you updated. What do you think of these upgrades? Let us know in the comments.